6.1 Example 2. In Example 2, we're going to take dy dx, which is equal to 4x cubed times sine x to the fourth, and we're going to find the general solution to this derivative. So first off, I want to point out by saying this derivative looks crazy. This looks difficult, but it's actually not that bad. So the first step you need to do is we're going to rewrite the problem so we have a little bit of space. And then what we're going to do is we're going to multiply both sides by dx, just like we did in the last example. So these are going to cancel off, and we're going to get dy is equal to 4x cubed sine x to the fourth dx. Now the next step would be to integrate both sides. The only problem is we don't know how to integrate all of this. So I'm going to show you how to do a simple u substitution to make this problem much easier. So if you look here on the inside of sine, we have x to the fourth. Now think about what's the derivative of x to the fourth? It's 4x cubed. And also notice that 4x cubed is right here. So this is how u sub works. You let u equal x to the fourth. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take the derivative with respect to x to both sides. So we're taking d dx to both sides. So then you're going to get du dx is equal to, and the derivative of x to the fourth with respect to x is 4x cubed. Then we're just going to multiply both sides by dx again, times it by dx, and you get du is equal to 4x cubed dx. Notice that this piece is the same as this 4x cubed and this dx. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite my equation, dy is equal to sine x to the fourth times 4x cubed dx. So this is the same as that. So then I'm going to write dy is equal to sine, and remember I let u equal x to the fourth. So I write u, and 4x cubed dx is equal to du. Now this has become something that I know how to integrate. So I integrate both sides, and the integral of dy is just equal to y, and the integral of sine is negative cosine of u plus c, the constant. And now what you have to do is put it back in the terms of the original variable. So y is equal to negative cosine x to the fourth plus c. And that's your final answer. One thing I do want to point out is to check that we would take the derivative of both sides, because we started with the derivative and we integrated. So I have y is equal to negative cosine x to the fourth plus c, and to check it again, I'm going to take the derivative with respect to x to both sides. So the left side's just going to become dy dx is equal to the derivative of negative cosine is sine x to the fourth times the derivative of the inside, 4x cubed, and then the derivative of a constant is 0, so there you go. Now what I want you to do on your own is try to find the general solution for dy dx equals 3x squared cosine x cubed. Alright, let's see what we get. So we have dy dx is equal to 3x squared cosine x cubed. We're going to multiply both sides by dx. And we're going to get dy is equal to 3x squared cosine x cubed dx. And this is where we're going to use our u sub. We're going to let u equal x cubed. So du dx is equal to 3x squared. So du is 3x squared dx. Using our u sub, we get dy is equal to cosine of u du. We're going to integrate both sides. And we get y is equal to sine of u plus c. And the last step is to put the u back as x cubed. And we're done.